Hello guys and welcome. Today we're gonna make my first project and it's gonna be a magic mirror. Now you'd be like, what is a magic mirror? I'll show you. So here I am with my Raspberry Pi. Here we have a case to the Raspberry Pi, and now I will just go and get the rest of the stuff that we need and we could start building. I have a monitor that is broken, so we're gonna take this into pieces. First we're gonna see if we can destroy this. Now we're gonna put in the Raspberry in this case. So we plug in the mini SD card into this, like that. And here's the case. If you've seen other people building a smart mirror, I'm not gonna do the frame because I want a frameless mirror. So this is my one-way mirror. Now it's plastic on it, that's why it's all dirty and not that bright. As you can see through it here. That's the thing. That's the key. That's the key. Look at this. Hallelujah. It's beautiful. But just because I don't want a frame, I want a frameless smart mirror, I bought this super tape. Dang it, bajskorv. This little dude was sitting on the screen, on the back of the screen. And I was like, he's pretty big. And he's pretty heavy. Dang it, Pixel. Pixel, you're not allowed to be here. Look at him. He's sneaking there in the back. No. A new monitor today. Same monitor is a Samsung LED monitor, 22-tom. Pixel! He's already in the room. Ah! What are you doing? Are you really allowed to be here? He's hiding. And Pixel is not allowed in the kitchen. Nope. This is the only place where I can build stuff, so rest in peace, my kitchen table. It's already broken because I built a few computers here. Oopsie daisy, but I don't mind. I have the mirror underneath the monitor. I haven't removed this upper part of the monitor yet. I'm not sure if I will. We will see about that later on. I can always change that afterwards. Now, let's see what we can do. Now I'm just gonna get the Pi started. There is an awesome page called Magic Mirror where you can find it, where you can find basically everything. Let's see. Boom! Come on. Yes! Finally something works. I'm using this super tape. I've been using that to fix this and to fix the monitor into the mirror. And I think it works. Super strong super tape. But now I'm just gonna get everything going and we will see if I succeeded or if I not. Maybe I failed. I'm pretty worried that I didn't take off this plastic frame, but we will see. I think it would do when we take off this plastic and the mirror comes off We will see. Okay, are you ready for this? Now I'm just gonna take rid of the plastic, then you will see the final results. Okay? 3, 2, 1. I nailed it, guys! So here you have the date and the time. And underneath there's supposed to be my mail, but I haven't figured out that yet. And here is the weather. And here's some message that came up. There's like different message in different times of the day. Right here is the latest news here in Sweden. And it says when the news was updated as well. And you're awesome! Yay! But I'm so proud of myself right now. Because the greatest pleasure in life is with doing what other people say you cannot do. And that's kind of like my story on YouTube when I'm doing tech stuff. Like, I wasn't born with knowledge. I think nobody's born with knowledge. And I Google everything up. I read a lot. I watch other people on YouTube doing it. And I'm reading a lot of forums. And I learn stuff. And I hope with this video that I will be an inspiration for you. Maybe you want to build a smart mirror. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. I promise. Pixel, you can do it too. You just have to trust. Believe in yourself. So everything you need to know if you want to build a smart mirror is down there in the description. I will link the best link that I found when I was searching on how to build my smart mirror. Pixel, you're cute. You're the boss, Pixel. But hey guys, don't forget that you are awesome. Yes, there you are. And I see you around. Bye!